Alright guys, let's now improve the logic and user experience and user interface of our login page. So first of all, when we were working with the notification center, whenever our app can receive the message, whenever it receives a certain notifications, like when the keyboard is hidden or shown, I would like to explain you some logic and details. So this is how Notification Center works. Let's see, we have 5 or 4 pages where the login view controller, register view controller, home, and comments. Okay, when we execute the Notification Center in login view controller, even if we leave and close login view controller, we go to register view controller, Notification Center still gonna be in action. Let's say in login view controller, we move the user interface up when the keyboard is shown. Let's say we closed login view controller screen and we went to register view controller. Whenever the keyboard will be shown, still it will affect the login view controller. So when we go to home view controller and when the keyboard will be called, still it will affect the login view controller. So till we turn it on, it will be in action. So we turned on our notification center in view did load right over here, and we need to disable or we need to switch it off whenever we are leaving our login view controller. So here are some steps and the chronology of how the function how the protocols and functions are executed. First, there is a view will appear, then in chronology there is a view did appear, then view did load, then view will disappear, and view did disappear. Okay, so the good action will be to put notification center view did appear, and that view did disappear. We'll switch it off. Okay, let's switch on notification center in view did appear super dot view did appear animated. Okay, this function executed every time when view did appear on the screen. While view did load, it's a different. View did load is executed only when the view got loaded, when it's loaded. When we, let's say, go to register view controller, then we dismiss this view controller and just comes back immediately to login view controller, view did load won't be executed. Will be executed only view will appear, view did appear, only these two functions, because it won't load it again and again, it's already loaded. So that's why we will put this declaration of notification centers in view did appear. Okay, so we want to switch off our notification center when the view did disappear. Okay, then we'll write view did disappear, then super view did disappear animated. So this function executed every time when view was or when view did disappear from the screen. Okay, and here we will switch off notification center. Okay, so it won't be in effect or in action or running, you can say. Notification center dot default to remove observer self. So here we're switching off notification. So whenever now we will leave the login view controller, it will be switched off, and even we call the keyboard in register view controller, it will have no effect to the login view controller. So this was one of the improvement of the user experience in user interface and the general logic of our app. Congratulations guys, good job.